Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing awesome right there. Before starting such session, let me say you all people, do not spread rumors, do not believe any kind of rumor messages. In the other word, I can say the fake news. Whatever, if you get anything, any kind of circular, any kind of messages, any kind of news notice from CISE portal website, that is a truth one, that is a fact one. Apart from that, by my personal view, everything is fake. If you are a CBSE candidate, if anything if anything circular has been releasing by CBSE portal website, that circular you people can believe. The same CISE portal website. Many fake messages has been going on that you people will be given half mark. It is written in any of the circular provided by CISE. If yes, the email ID has been given in the description box. Please send the screenshot. Please send the screenshot. I will be very thankful to you. As well as many fake news is been going on that you people will be marked. You people will be getting grace mark. Any kind of circular you have got? If yes, the link has been given in the description box of my email ID. Please send me. Many fake news has been going on that the examiner will be students friendly. Did you get any kind of circular from CISE website? No. If yes, do send to my email ID, to my email address. So if you have not got anything from the CISE website, how you people can trust this? How you people can trust fake news? Open your eyes, my dear most children. Open your eyes before believing something. Open your eyes. And maximum students are saying, sir, we will be getting half marks. Maximum students are saying, sir, we will be getting grace marks. Maximum students are saying, sir, we will be getting, sir, the examiner will be students friendly. For an example, and many people are saying, sir, for an example, I'm saying, assume, let's say, suppose the option is A. For an answer, the option is A. So option is A, the correct answer is option is A. While you have written option A, then after you have put a cross, then you have written B. And they are having many fake news that you will be getting grace mark. How it is possible? How it is possible? In a circular from CISE website, which I have made a video before, the link is given in the I button. Everything was clear that only one option you can write. Apart from that, if you will be writing any two options, suppose the A answer is correct, but you will be writing A as well as B, it will treat it as a wrong. It will treat it as a 0 mark. It will be treated as a 0 mark. For an example, if A is the correct option, you have written A as well as again you have written B, you have put the cross of A, so B will be treated as the right answer, so you will be getting 0 marks. It has been clearly mentioned in the CISE circular. But you people are going on believing fake news. And one most important that, how many fake news I will be saying? One most important that there is having a circular again, not a circular from CISE website. There is having some fake news going on that if suppose if the 15 number question answer is B, then obviously 16 number will be B. How stupid it is. How stupid. If 21 number option will be A, option would be A, then obviously 22 would be A. And one more fake rumor is going on that if suppose the answer is suppose A, B, B, C. Suppose the answer option is suppose 1 number A, 2 B, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5 will be A, B, B, C. Then again A, B, B, C. This type of things will be going on. How low illogical it is. How you people are believing those fake news. I am very devastated, I'm very devastated by your people. Then how you people can believe this? The fake news. And also, I am preparing this video before chemistry exam, and also I've heard that chemistry paper will be easy, biology paper will be easy. I can say it is easy by having three options. Option number one, if I have made the question paper by myself, that I have made a question paper of chemistry by myself, then I can say it is easy. If I have got the question paper from other means or unfair means, I can say the question paper is easy. Or else, if I have got the question paper from higher some seniors council, then I can say the question paper is easy. I have no idea about question paper. How can I say it is easy? How can I say it is difficult? How can I say it is moderate? We can assume it is easy, but you cannot give a sure. But I give a sure in questions, it will be coming in exam. I give because I am having experience. And I gave, and it came in exam. Physics exam was 39 marks was there in my questions. 39 marks was there in my questions. If you believe, do comment right there. So my dear most children, it's an appeal from me, do not ever try to spread rumors. If anyone educator is watching over here, do not spread rumors, do not burst any kind of child's mind, I can say right now. Do not ever try to illogical topic inside their mind of the students. It's very disappointing from my side. And I request all the ICSE, ISC students, before believing anyone, first go and check CISE portal website. If it is released, then you can believe those messages. If it is not, everything is fake. Everything is fake. This is the thing I wanted to say. And please open your eyes. Open your eyes. You are not a kid anymore. You know what is good, you know what is worst regarding it. And open your eyes and start believing right now, which you people will be getting from website, CISE portal website. Apart from that, don't ever believe anything. So thank you very much and all the very best for the upcoming examinations. I wish everyone that exams are going pretty well and good. If not, don't worry, we will be rocking semester 2. Trust me.